Day everybody, welcome to a new video. So our CRT 15-minute and 1-hour scalping model did great today. So if you're new and you didn't see yesterday's video, so this is a 1-minute or a 15-minute CRT candle, right? We wait for the next 15 minutes to soup it with SMT with ES, right? And when we close under this breaker, so this will be our breaker here, right? So when we close under this low, right, breaker, we enter right after the close and we target a 2R. Okay, so this is the model. Go back, test it, and after watching the video, of course, and let's go and see what and how it did. Okay, so before starting, I want to remind you, as always, so the 19.1% off of option 1 accounts given the really cheap $15 50k accountable knocks are still here. So I want you guys to grab your accounts before they are done. When they are done, they want to bring for like another 2 weeks or something. Just secure your account now. Take profit or the best actual prop firm are 15% off. Okay, Tick Trader have 14% off of all their direct funding challenges. Tradeify have 30% off, but they actually decreased the prices, so 30% off is really a good promotions for February. Okay, thanks you all for using the codes and supporting the community. Okay, so today, okay, 15-minute chart. Okay, I was just looking for something logic to take on the 15-minute chart. Okay, so I was here, right, and this was 3 a.m. all right, so 3 a.m. needed to soup 2 a.m. and give us the bias. All right, but I was waiting for this candle to be souped another time here, right, to take a trade. And also I was driving here. I usually drive my daughter to school here, so I usually miss these trades. Okay, but if we look at the H1 model here, right, okay, so we had 2 a.m. sorry, we had 2 a.m. here. Okay, cool. We go to the M1. Our key level is this H1 fair value gap. If we don't touch this fair value gap, I'm not interested in this short. Okay, right? So going back, let's do this, replay stuff. Okay, so going back here, where is ES? Okay, so no ES. Okay, cool. So ES is bugging, right? Let me do the video when I'll be back again. Okay, okay, cool. So we have ES back now. So after opening at 3 a.m., right, so we can see that we are in after the 3 a.m., right? I'm not caring about all of this. It's all the accumulation for the 2 a.m. H4 candle PO3. Okay, so if they don't do something in the higher time frame key level, I'm not taking any of this. Okay, right? So they went to the key level, right? They did an SMT, as you can see here. Okay, right? So closing under this is my breaker, right? Now both of them closed under, right? So we are sure this is not like something. Okay, so this is the candle that closed, right? So you market sell the next candle. Okay, right? Stops above the highs, target is 2R. Okay, so if you play price, okay, they played a little bit, right? You don't go break even in this system, right? You trust the RR because break even will kill your win rate. Okay, so you have your TP here. Okay, cool. So that's the first setup for the day, and I think T808 shared it with you guys in the Discord today, right? For the guys that are active in the Discord, right? Then after this, okay, let's go to the M15, right? And we had this like beautiful M15 setup, okay? So we had this M15 fair value gap, okay? We had this up candle that closed in the fair value gap, okay? So immediately I'm looking in the 15 second, right? For this trading system, just make sure you check your charts every 15 minutes, okay? So this is actually the high, okay? And as I told you, the edges are smooth, no liquidity run. So this is pure retail market structure. Nothing was taken, okay? Now we wait for the manipulation. Thank God we have ES. We can see the SMT already, right? So this is higher time frame SMT. Cool, right? So we can wait for this to take here, and if we have another SMT, it will be a bonus, okay? So let's wait for the CRT high to be taken. Okay, here, right? So we took these highs, my breaker is here, okay? We have also lower time frame SMT, which is usually beautiful, okay? So when they give me my breaker, I'm shorting it. No breakers for now. Now we have this breaker, okay? Cool. We short the next candle, we target 2R. See? If you missed your first entry, they gave you another one. And TP, okay? TP. Right? This is a crazy setup, guys. And I hope you appreciate this for free, because I know you guys usually don't appreciate free stuff, okay? Now, let's go again. Maybe this is another setup that played out, but we don't care because we were like, it's played out because we were delivering from this 50%, right? So this into this, okay, but no problem. Was this 8 a.m.? I think it was. Okay, so yeah, this was a beautiful setup. Okay, let's go to the 15 second. Okay, so here it was beautiful, kinda, but we didn't have the SMT, right? But we had SMT here, okay? This was our SMT. Do you see it? The only problem with this setup here is that the breaker was huge, right? You needed to wait for price to close here and then take it. But let's see if it gave D2R, right? Mechanically. 20 up 40. Okay. So let's play it. Second entry. Will it go to TP? Actually, it went to TP. Crazy. Okay. Was it 2R what I did? Yeah. It was a 2R. Okay, cool. So let's go back to the 15-minute. Guys, you can play ping pong with it as well. Okay. Now, I was waiting. I was here. This was beautiful, right? So market open. Right at market open. At market open, I'm always at the 15-minute, looking if something will work out. Okay? So we have this 15-minute CRT, right? You can also take this whole range. Okay, so this is a 30-minute CRT. If you go to the M30, see, it's just one candle, right? And we have a 30-minute fair value gap, right? So same thing you can do again on the 13th second. Okay, now see, 13 second, we close here, right? So this is our SMT, right? So we never took these highs, but I entered, to be honest, with the 15 second. Okay, so my breaker on the 15 second was here, right? Short the next candle, target 2R. Okay, so playing price, TP was hit. Okay, now this system is, I don't know if this is Enigma or something, but this thing is like crazy. Okay, now going back to the 1 hour. Here I was paying attention to the 1 hour. Why? Because I had this high probability order block here. Okay, now this is its rejection block. Why it's a high probability order block? If you paid attention to yesterday's video, we CRT the low of it and closed above. So this is a high probability order block. So they might come till the very low of it and then move. Okay, so as you can see, they bleeded all the guys that were bullish and wanted to go bullish from here. They bleeded them to oblivion here, right? And I see now in hindsight that it was this low that was stop hunted here. So usually precision entries will happen at this very low again, right? This is like some crazy magic stuff that we learned with Kishane, the currency merchant. Anyway, so we were here, right? And I had this 1 hour CRT in mind here. Okay, so I had it in mind, and we were in a rejection block here. Okay, 15-minute did not CRT here. Okay, so only 1 hour, and this is a setup I missed because they didn't give another CRT on the 15 minutes. Okay, so let me explain to you what I mean. So I wanted another soup of this candle here. Okay, I wanted a chef kiss here, another turtle soup of the turtle soup to ride it back up and have a really stop or a really small stop. Okay, never happened. And I was talking to 808, and I was really angry when they made it up here, because I missed the 10-hour PO3, and it was the real move for the day. Okay, now let's go back to 1 minute, and yeah, it was beautiful. I don't know why I didn't take it, to be honest, because yeah. So this is the hourly CRT I wanted first. Let me check back on the 1 hour to make sure I'm not staying. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that was the CRT I wanted to purge. So I wanted a purge, SMT, bring it back up. Okay, into, now that I look back at it, we had this glitch, remember? This is why the glitches are amazing. Okay, so we were in this glitch, right? Wait for SMT, no SMT, no trade. Okay, so you wait for SMT, and here it is, right? So SMT, we had also this beautiful IFVG. So the moment we close above this breaker, we long. Let me zoom in so you can see, guys. So this low is the CRT low, and this is our breaker. Okay, so we close above, we buy the next candle. Okay, let's see, come on. And this was our closure, right? You buy this thing back, okay, and you target 2R. Now, if you know what you're doing, you can know that 10 a.m. 4-hour candle usually soups the 6 a.m. candle and target the highs. Okay, so you can also target this, right? See, you can target actually crazy things. Especially we had this LR, right? So setups were crazy good today. Okay, here. Right, so we had this order block. Okay, we had also this range EQ. Okay, so down candle that's printed going back to EQ. Okay, let's go back. By the way, EQ is one of the best key levels as well. EQ of a range, right? So 15 second, as always. We have our range low here, range high. Okay, so is ES. Alright, cool, we have ES. So SMT, right? Do you see it? No, still nothing happened yet. So we have SMT. I think yes. Right? So we have this SMT. Nasdaq took this low. ES never did. Okay? We had this FVG, IFVG or FVG in the leg. So the moment we close above here, right, I'm buying the next candle. Okay, targets what? 2R, right? So here is my close, here is the next candle, 2R. Okay. If you want more RR or something, if you don't mind missing trades, you can wait for these pullbacks, okay? And look at the magic, they pulled back exactly to the IFVG, okay? Yeah. So it's still respecting this IFVG. Bodies are bodies say the story and wicks do the damage, as they say, right? And TP, not yet. TP8, okay? Now, I think price is still now here, right? Yeah. So the setup is currently still running, okay? And yeah, that's all for me today, guys. And I hope you guys appreciate this, right? Because I'm really giving you diamonds here, okay? Hope you guys backtest this model. It's a really cool model, and the win rate is really high, and the RR is also high. So you only need 40% to be actually profitable with this, right? And you really need to do stupid stuff for you to have only 50%, okay? So backtest this or live test this in the cheap Boombox accounts. Have some skin in the games, guys, because to be honest, for backtesting without real accounts you will not learn anything like special, okay? Just backtest to see if you know the model, and then just stop or start trading it in a cheap account, okay? So you have more skin in the game, because in this field experience is everything, right? And trust me, backtesting will not give you that experience, right? You will never face your real demons unless you are trading a real or a simulated at least account, okay guys? Now, I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Ciao, ciao. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any futures update. And if you want to dive deeper into the Moneymaker setup, check out the playlist that will pop up in the end screen. It's packed with everything you need to get started. Remember, everything I do is free, including our thriving Discord community. Join us and let's keep growing together. Ciao, ciao.